Welcome to part 2 of this fractal holographic universe. Whenever we came down to 3D, we decided to forget everything. There's so many like philosophical, theological answers why that happened. But basically, if we keep it in the realms of quantum science, it was just so dense that our high frequency just wasn't able to hold the capacity of all the information that was coming and that we hold from all these different dimensions that we are currently connected to. So it's kind of hard for the humans to hold that down here in 3D. But as a lot of the workers have been upgrading the systems, the grids, all of the energetics here on Earth, they have allowed us to really have a better understanding of the 4D and then start to open up our receptors and just be able to hold more light, which that means more light from source, which that means just more knowledge, more awareness that we are this pillar of light, right? You are always connected to God through this pillar of light, which grounds you into the earth, which is the human experience that we're living right now. We're not here to transcend and to go into different dimensions. That's not why you came to earth. You came here to really embody this truth. Let's talk about demons and other lower frequencies. So you see we have 4D, 3D, third density, and then we have even lower density, right? Which usually the demons, the scary stuff, some of that is made up to keep you in systems of fear, to keep you in oppressive systems, to keep you thinking that you're not as powerful as you really are. My love, you're always connected to source, whether you're a sinner, got baptized or not, baby. You are always connected to God, and God is divine. So you inherently are divine as well, period. But it's just energetics. Demons, some of them are in the 3D, and 3D is kind of the lowest for physicality, and then 2D, 1D is more like thoughts, like fear and shame, and those are more of like emotions. But then 3D is when we start to be in physical form. So some of the reptilians are over here up to like 4D. A lot of people talk about like the ones with the eye, like the dark government, the shadow government, that are here keeping us in the 4 to 3D. But then there's other aliens. So star beings here in the 5D, 6D, 7D, all the way to like 9D. After that, it just starts to become ambiguous. Once you get to the higher densities, it's just so light. It's like concepts like truth or harmony. So earth has her elementals, which earth, fire, wind, water, all of those are spirits. And then elementals are fairies, elves, gnomes, and those are kind of like the elementals. We can talk about more in the next one.